After MWC 2024, Infinix is definitely on a roll. Nilabasan nila finally ang Note 40 Pro Plus 5G. And for less than 14,000 pesos, you get 100 watts of fast charging brick together with 20 watts na MagSafe charger, Dimensity 7020 na may 5G support, curved AMOLED display na may Corning Gorilla Glass protection, and up to 24 gigs of extended memory. Lahat yan and more pag-usapan natin after this quick unboxing. So guys, ang Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus 5G na may 12 plus 12 gigs of RAM and a 256 gig of storage will be priced at 13,999. And kung binili mo to sa Lazada for us ka early bird price, this will be as low as 11,499. Official link on the description box below. Now, let's talk about yung form factor nito phone nito. First of all, I would say maganda nga na form factor. It's very slim. Probably one of the things that I like about tong phone nito is yung kanyang pagkamanipis. And next is of course yung kanyang leather finish dito sa likod. Yung texture niya is yung magandang grip dito sa likod. And you see na walang smudges ng fingerprints dito sa likod na hindi mo kailangang punas. And one thing mapapansin mo dito sa kanyang camera module is yung isang side is magandang finish siya, shiny. Yung kabila is aluminum metal finish. Ang ganda na kanyang combination dito, which looks very distinct. And meron pa siyang ring light dito sa likod which gives you extra lighting, especially when you're doing some vlogs. Pwede mo pa nga set yung brightness niya to low, medium, and high. Makita mo dito sa taas, nakatatak dito, sound by JBL. So we'll do a quick sound test later along the way. And another thing na I think magugustuhan mo rin dito is kanya is ang kanyang curved AMOLED display. Very symmetrical ang kanyang bezels dito. And it gives you that feel yung infinity display dahil curved AMOLED nga siya. And napansin mo kanyang punch hole is not that big. Talagang best of all kanya is ang kanyang grip dito. And probably one thing na masasabi ko sa iyo na gustong-gusto ko dito sa phone nito is maganda ang grip sa aking kamay. Now, if you check its display, swiping left and right, I'm pretty sure na it's very smooth dahil sa kanyang 120Hz of screen refresh rate. And ang kanyang screen size is a 6.78-inch na AMOLED display with a max brightness of 1,300 nits. And it's being protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass. I'm not quite sure kung anong level ng Corning Gorilla Glass. Basta Corning Gorilla Glass siya, according to official spec sheet. And ang kanyang screen-to-body ratio dito is 90%. So if you love scrolling on social media, okay na okay itong phone na ito. I would say na sobrang ganda ng kanyang display dito. And I love every single moment na ginagamit ko itong phone na ito. Watching reels, watching shorts, okay na okay siya. Panalong-panalo, lalo kung nasuswipe ka. Ang ganda, ang sarap ng smooth ng feeling. And if you love to watch Netflix and YouTube dito, I'm pretty sure na ma-enjoy mo rin siya dito dahil ang ganda ng kanyang display. Black is blacker, the colors is punchy, and halos lahat ng pinanood ko dito, nag-enjoy naman ako dito. Now, itong phone na ito is being powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7020. It's a 5G powered na phone, and this one runs on XOS 14 inside Android version 14. Probably ang kanyang processor is not a top-notch na processor na mahanap mo sa market, but this one was able to perform all of the multitasking na binigay mo dito. Kayang-kaya na itong processor na ito. And it was able to score me a 463,000 points dito sa Antutu benchmark. And pag binigtan mo, this is what you should get. Ito ang score na nakuha ko dito sa Geekbench. Okay lang naman ang kanyang thermals and it throttled to 76% ng kanyang maximum performance. Now, one of the good things dito sa phone na ito is that it comes together with a really nice na case And leather case siya, no? Halos faux leather case siya sa likod. Makikita mo dito, meron siyang magnet base dito, which you can use together with its mag pad, or you can call it a MagSafe charger. Gagawin mo lang, ididikit mo na siya dito, and hindi mo na siya matatanggal. It's a magnet base. Kung dinereso mo dito, wala siyang magnet na base. So, you really need the help of this case, which is looking quite good and very luxurious. Pag mag-charge ka this time around, ganito lang, okay ka na. Yun ang gusto ko kay Infinix, no? They invent something na to give you the chance to be able to try a wireless charger at this price point. Imagine mo, for 13,999, meron kang wireless na MagSafe charger. And if you buy it at the early bird rate, makukuha mo ng 11,499. Normally, ma-enjoy mo ang ganitong charging technology, ang wireless charging technology sa mga flagship phone na will cost you around mga 30, 40, 50,000 and up. And another good thing is pwede ka magbitbit ng mga wireless na power bank like this one na bili ko from Aoki. What you should do dito is ididikit mo lang sa likod niya, just like this one, ginawa ko, and mag-charge na siya wirelessly. And hindi mo na siya malalaglag. What's nice dito kay Aoki is pwede pong gamitin siya as a stand to watch your favorite show while you're charging. And astig dito sa kanya, no, meron siyang pailaw pa dito, the RGB while it's charging, which looks very cool. Now, ang battery size nito phone nito is 4,600, and ang kanyang fastest charging capability is 100 watts na fast charging. So you're finished charging in just 30 minutes to phone nito from 0 to 100, and I don't really recommend you to go down to 0% before charging. Maybe 20%. And nung sinalang ko to sa PC Mark na battery stress test, it was able to give me a 12 hours na screen on time. Pretty decent. Now, tinest ko din naman tong phone nito for gaming, and I played 3 games. Call of Duty Mobile, Farlight 84, and Genshin Impact. And here are the best graphical settings na pwede mo i-set dito sa kanya. And sa Call of Duty Mobile, expect mo magandang kanyang graphics dito. You'll definitely enjoy. Halos wala kang mafe-feel na lags dito. The gameplay is really smooth. Playing VR matches, rank matches, lahat. Walang problema, kahit magbakbakan kayo, hindi mo mafe-feel ang lag dito sa phone na ito. Now, moving on to Farlight 84, nung sinet ko to sa all high settings, medyo mafe-feel mo yung lag. Lalo na nung initially, nung pababa pala siya ng AirPlay, mafe-feel mo may kunting lag na. Pero along the way, medyo naging smoothen out siya kunti. During gameplay, mafe-feel mo there are still slight delay. Siguro, I would recommend you to lower down yung kanyang graphical settings to be able to play better. But playing for 1.5 hours dito straight ng mga VR matches dito, I was able to enjoy din kahit paano. And ang pinakamainit na na-achieve ko dito is 46 degrees Celsius. Now, moving on to Genshin Impact, setting it to all high settings. Dito medyo na-feel ko medyo uminit konti ang phone. And while playing the game for around mga 1 hour, mafe-feel mo talaga yung lag, especially on heavy battles. Now, itong game na ito is definitely playable. Medyo, I would recommend you to lower down yung graphical settings niya to be able to play it a little bit more smoother. And pinakamainit na achieve ko dito is 48 degrees Celsius. Now, I would recommend you to get a phone cooler to cool it down faster. Now, itong sounds ng phone na ito is being collaborated with JBL. Alam mo naman natin yung quality ng sounds ng JBL is definitely good. And gusto lang natin i-try ang kanyang loudspeaker dito. Isasagad natin, no? Pakinggan lang natin kung gaano kaganda ang sounds dito. Well, maganda kanyang sounds and quite loud din ang sounds niya for a mid-range phone like this one. Now, pag-usapan naman natin mga camera modules na dito sa likod. And it has a 108MP na main camera sensor with OIS. And meron siyang dalawang 2MP na camera sensor dito, which I think one is a depth sensor and the other one is a auxiliary lens. This one can shoot you up to 2K and 30 FPS. And ang kanyang harap is a 32MP na main camera sensor, which can shoot you up to 2K and 30 din. Now, one of the things na gusto ko i-highlight dito sa phone na ito is yung kanyang camera. It was able to give me some really nice shots nung nasa labas ako. Take for example itong shot na ito. It's really a very simple shot, pero pag tinignan mo, it's very natural, it's very nice. And pag zoom in mo on yung mga details dito sa coconut tree, I was able to still get some details dito sa kanya with its 108MP na camera. Now, even though pag tinignan mo dito sa likod, yung ng tall building dito sa likod, maganda pa rin ang mga details na na-preserve niya. Now, some occasion like taking some flower shot dito sa labas, it was really good. And all of the details dito is quite preserved. And taking some shots dito sa garden looks very natural. Kaya itong simple shot na ito looks very stunning. Now, probably one thing na hindi ko masyado nagustuhan dito sa kanya is hindi ganun kaganda ang kanyang bokeh shot. Take for example, this one could have been much more blurrier yung kanyang likod to make it more natural and more better. Now, taking on some other tall building shot, makita mo ang ganda na kanyang mga details na na-preserve. And playing with its zoom lenses, this is a normal shot and this is a 3x zoom shot. These are by defaults. Makita natin ang colors, almost the same. Quite accurate naman ang kanang 1x and 3x. Halos quite similar. Now, if you bring this phone indoors, you'll be able to get some really nice shot like this. And this one, it looks good. And some of these shots na nakuha ko, you'll really see some really nice details sa kanang shots. Now, if you're the type of person na mahilig sa food photography, I would say sobrang gandang-gandang camera. No? Probably not the best, but it's there. Ang ganda ng kanyang pag-represent ng mga photos na ito, like this one. It's really yummy. Taking some salad shot like this one. And some mga shots ng tuyo looks also good. Kahit simple egg shot lang, looks quite dramatic. Now, if you check the front-facing camera, kahit medyo maaraw, there are still some parts of me na medyo madilim using its front-facing camera, even on this shot. But on some well-lit na scenario, looks quite okay naman ang kanyang front-facing camera. Pag ginamit mo naman siya for indoor, sa low light, I would say okay naman siya, but there are times may tendency siya maging a little bit grainy. Kahit itong shot na ito, no, looks good, but there's a little bit grainy di sa akin mukha. But there are times naman pag magandang yung shot, I would say na sharp din ang mga photos na makukuha mo dito sa kanyang camera. Now, I used the front-facing camera to take a 2K video. It's quite shaky, pero mas sharp ang kanyang video as compared to this one, which I used the super stable mode na turn on ko, pero medyo sacrifice lang yung quality ng yung video at 1080p. Pero mas stable siya. To turn on yung kanyang super stable mode, all you need to do is just press this button. Ultra steady is on. Pero nga lang, sacrifice ang iyong video resolution. Now, if you use the rear camera, taking a 2K video, bas kita mo, talagang shaky siya. Pero yung quality niya is quite sharp As compared to this one, taking it using the ultra steady mode, kita mo, very stable siya. Pero yung nga lang, masasabi ko, sacrifice lang at 1080p and 30. Now, with all of that said, itong phone na ito being priced at $39.99, and if you get it during the early bird rate, this is a $11,499. So all of the good specs makukuha mo naman dito sa phone na ito, and I really love the performance. If you ask me if I could recommend the phone na ito to you, definitely I would say it's a yes. Kasi I'll honestly tell you that you'll be spending your money wisely. 1, you have a curved AMOLED display. 2, you have a faux leather finish back. 3, you have a wireless charging capability dito, which hindi mo mafe-feel on any phone at this price point. Sa flagship mo na mafe-feel. And another one is 100 watts na fast charging, which is another breakthrough na hindi mo makikita at this price point. All of that for $13,999 and $11,499 during early bird rates. Interested to know kung saan nyo pwede mabili to? I'll be linking everything on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a subscription to my channel would definitely be awesome. I'll see you in my next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.